Nature Channel right here. Groover going to touch the fish. I don't want you to touch him, man. Something just like fell down my back like a leaf or something, man. Yeah, we really freaked him out, eh? Was that me with the rock or you? Like, I don't even remember it freaked out so bad. Okay, we're going in for a closer look. Let's look at this freak. Groover, he's like dead now. You killed him.
You want to help him back up or go down?
I think we should help him back up, man. Let's just rock at him. Let's rock him again. Where's his buddy? I'm gonna go look for his buddy. Buddy's over there in the water. This guy's just freaking out. He's tired, man. He's mad tired.
Do you think he can live like that right there?
I don't know. I feel like really bad now, but like at the same time, like, don't poke him in the eye.
Want me to pick him up? Want me to pick him up?
I don't know, you want to do some Nature Channel shit or what? I got the camera going, man. Like, I got the video going, it's been going for a while. Minute and a half, like. I think you should rock him and see if he'll do it again.
I think I'm just going to pick him up.
Groove, I'm like scared for you. It's just a fish, like I know, but like.
I almost want a picture of it if I pick him up.
Oh, I've got the video going.
But I want a picture.
We can get Phil to fucking. That is a fish, man. Fishy, fishy, fishy. At the best waterfall in Burlington, we found a fish.
Touch him, Mikey.
I'm not touching him, man.
Why not?
I don't know, man. I used to be able to touch fish when I was younger, but they freak me out now. Here we go.
Yeah, baby. Get up.
Get up!
Get up. I don't know how to pick up this kind of fish.
I'd say, like, hand right under the gill. Hand at the back, like just below the fin. You see the fin at the top? Like just below that. He's gonna freak out the second you touch him, man.
I'm already touching him. Look.
I know, but the second you pick him up out of the water, he's gonna freak. He's too tired, man. You gotta pick him up.
Oh, he's making a run. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's stuck. Oh, he wants it. Let's give him an extra little shove.
Come on, Groove, you got him. You got him. You got him. One more time. One more time.
This water's fucking cold, man.
This is Nature Channel kind of shit, man.
There it goes. Oh, what a fucking meathead. What a meathead.
He went the wrong way!
I'm trying to help you out, brother.
I can't believe how bad he freaked out when I rocked him, man. You're going the wrong way. Come on, guy. Yeah, a nice kick, a nice kick. Yep, that's the right way, bud.
Do it! Do it!
No, no, this way. Oh, stick.
Get that stick.
I got it.
Quick, man. You're struggling.
We got 4 minutes now. 4 minutes of a good footage.
Here.
Okay, yeah, you're the expert here. Come on, bud, you got it. Just breathe.
Come back over. What's up?
He made such a hustle to get out, man.
There he goes. There he goes. He's gonna make it. He's figuring it out now. There you go.
Yeah! Yeah!
That's all of them. I should have picked them up.
You would have been down too, eh?
Yeah.
We saved him. He loves that spot. Alright.